Video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can create global swatches and use them with pattern swatches. Now first thing to do, just going to create a rectangle, very basic pattern I'm going to create. Now I don't want it filled with that, I'm just going to go for a red, but I'm just going to go to Object and Pattern and Make. I'm going to slightly change that, I don't want that, slightly reduce down. Okay, now what I want to do, I'm going to move that out of the way because it's just going to go over here to New Swatch because I want that red to be saved as a global swatch. So just click Global. Okay, now don't want it actually up there, I'm just going to drag it down to here. Now it's in there and I'm going to add something else, so just make it a bit more interesting, not very interesting, but so a yellow, and I'm going to create that as also a new swatch, and again click the global, click OK, and again create another. Like I say, it's not the most startling of patterns, but green. Now also I'm going to go over here and new swatch. Okay, that's all done now. Now I'll just quickly drag those over. So that's all the ones that, just drag that down if it will go down that far. Doesn't want to. Yep. And also that one over there as well. So that one goes down to there. Right, now I've got all those global. And you can see they're global. You've got this little triangle that's there and that's defined there. So now what I'm going to do is save a copy. Don't have to do that, but just make certain I've got it. And it's cancel. Now I'm going to remove that, and of course I could use any other path as well, so I'm just going to quickly create a circle and I'm going to add that. I'm going to make it scale it a bit, so transform and scale, say 25. Don't want the object to be scaled, so I'm just going to go for that. Now suddenly I decide in the middle of my project, I think I don't really want that to be green. Now of course I could go in and change it, but you can actually just change, and you might say have like 15 or 20 different patterns, maybe all using the same colour scheme. Maybe you're showing a client lots of different designs and they suddenly say I don't like that green, and you don't want to change go through all the, but what you can do is you can just quickly go over here, deselect it because you don't want it to be selected because that's just going to make it all green, which is not so useful. What you need to do then is just go over here, I don't like green, so I'm going to say I want it to be blue, and it's still global, and then I can just say OK, and then it's changed all the way through the pattern. And like I say, you could obviously, if you had multiple different designs, it would change and update all of those as well. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.